Okay, what do I need to do? Make buttons light green when available for purchase. Okay, so when I claim a tycoon, these buttons should be green. So let me see. I think I already have something that makes the text show up. That should be client side. What's it called? Button name. No? Ah. Okay. Oh, it's because I'm. So this is server side. So I have to set something up on the client side, or do I? It's better if I do it client side. Um, okay, so I think what I'm gonna do. So first I want to detect these buttons. It's like every time the player's money changes, check if they have a plot, and if they do have a plot, then just go over every button and make it green, or make it not green. So that's what I'm gonna do. Make it in UI. Let me turn off the radio, that was annoying me. Uh, Set the volume to 0. Okay, so we have a script, called it call it red green buttons, but that's an ugly name, so I'm gonna put it in starter player script here. Select cache, just a that's not changed. I should probably have a player. And then I should wait for the plot as well. Lost. Oh no. So then then we want to look at what is a button, like what's the styling. So we want to change the part, I think, and then just the head. So so this indicates that here it does have enough money and here it doesn't have enough money, so b dot dot color equals, so what was it? It's key. Then we want to what? Turn off the volume. So why is it on? Ah, it's being set in the script. No. So then why is it turning on? Okay. So let's see what is pretty. Say we make it green and the part like white. Is that enticing? Does it make me want to step on it? Oh, freak. I gotta do a get children. So that's green. Maybe that's just good, isn't it? Like what if we make it white? Like that. I don't know if that's pretty. Just white. White is good. As opposed to, let's see, just this. Yeah, I like the white edges more. So then we'll do this. red. All right, so that should be done. It's not. Ah, it's when the money changes, right? I think that's fine. I think that's fine. It's not. It's not fine. I want to fix it. Let's see. While plot equals nil. Wait. Uh, Something like this actually, but we also, so this is only gonna fire when the cache of the player changes, but we also want to do it just at the start of the game, because maybe this doesn't fire in time the first time the player loads in, so then when they claim a plot, it's not gonna work correctly. So let's just make a function that says update button colors, and that's just gonna be this, and then cache change connect to update button colors, and just update button colors. So that's gonna fire all the time. I mean, like, yeah, it just covers all the cases. So now even when I just load in, it's gonna be able to. Yes, that's good. Part is not a valid member of model. What is it talking about? This one should be. I'm just gonna add a wait statement because who cares really? Wait, so 2, and I'm gonna add a statement here to check that does exist. Oh wait, this it shouldn't be here. It's a bit ugly. It's a bit ugly. Okay, so that I think is that item of the list. I also saw this button, the oh no, this one. Open your own door. I think that should be unlocked by just buying the first ball, I think. Button info. Walls 1 unlocks. Owner own door. That's good. Okay. Next item. That was good. Make buttons light green when available for purchase. Good job, me. Now we're gonna make a basic tutorial. Um, how does this work? Why is it so vertical? What is this? Ugh. Okay, so I should probably work out some tutorial elements. Um, so I wrote down basic tutorial. Let's say multiple steps, right? Claim a plot. Let's see. Claim a plot. Plot a dropper. Collect cache. Um, by second dropper, and then we'll leave the player alone. Maybe like some other thing that I'm not thinking of right now. So I don't want to get too complicated with this. I think I'm just gonna make an if else loop. So create a script, local script. So it's gonna be like copy that from this here. All right. So I'm just gonna make a loop that's gonna loop every while. Wait, 1, 2. Or I can just have it fire once. Might be better to just have it fire once. It's gonna be a bit unorthodox, but alright. So we have the player, we have the plot. So while we have to copy that one as well. So while the player plot dot value is nil, what we're gonna do is we're gonna project beams to every plot in the game that doesn't have an owner, right? So I wonder what I forgot what happens with this. Like if I claim this, what happens to the object? I forgot what I coded here. Claim. It just disappears. That's fine. Okay. Can work around that. And I'm gonna copy this from another game that I made. Experience. Hey, it's this game, and this game has a tutorial as well, and it has a bunch of functions that we're gonna use. Let's see. Just gonna copy this over. Let's bam. Uh, should I just wait? Yeah, so this is what I had in mind. So maybe we should do this for every plot actually. It's really, I don't know if it's complicated, but I feel like it can be done more simple, but I'm gonna use it. So we have the players, we have the workspace, player, character, beams, create beam. Oh, we need to copy the actual beam here. Paste it too. All right, and this is gonna make a beam to a target attachment. I want to change this to where if it's a part, then we create the attachment ourselves. I don't want to have to create all the attachments. Ask AI, can you change this function to if target attachment part creates an attachment on the part location to or position to beam the beam. All right. Is this gonna put the script? All right. I think it's gonna work. Let's see. Bam. So if target attachment is the base part, then we create an attachment. Alright. I don't know if we need this, but sure. Alright, so we have a create beam function, we have a destroy all beams function, we have a function to make a beam to all the plots. It's gonna wait. And then let's just we don't need this. I just want to make clear how this works so I don't take too long here. Alright, so it's gonna initiate a beam to all the unknown plots. I need to work on this actually. If plot.owner.value. Is that how it works? Let me see. The plot has a part which is called claim. So I'm just gonna say if plot find first child claim. I guess it won't hurt to say like a double check. So if plot.owner.value equals nil, then the door equals plot dot claim. I think that's it. Like this. Alright, so it's gonna beam to every door. um, it's gonna wait for the player to claim a plot, and then once the player does, it's gonna destroy all the beams. Then we have a variable called plot, which keeps up, which tells us what plot the player is at. Right. So now the player has claimed the plot. What do we want to do? Buy a dropper. So we first need to check if the player has a dropper. So while we should wait a bit for the plot to initialize. So like wait 0.8 seconds. While plot dot buttons, and then find the first child. What's it called? Dropper. To this is not exactly what we want because it's just gonna keep looping and creating a lot of beams. So we'll say if then, and we're gonna say while to, so wait, and then we can destroy all beams, and then we go to the next step. So maybe I should comment this. So dropper, or wait, let's do so this is the first one. Class 2 claim dropper, and then we come to quest 3, which is claim cache. I'll make the second dropper a bit cheaper so that the player can do the tutorial a little bit faster and they don't leave, because we don't want the player to leave. So while plot dot money dot value is less than 100, wait, then if dropper 2 is purchasable, then create beam to the collect. Wait, what part is it? No, that's not it. This is what we're looking for. Oh, that is collect. I need to call this. Plot dot collect. So that's gonna do that. All right, then we're gonna say plot dot collect dot touch. We need to find the player that's touching it. Should be somewhere here. Yeah, so here. Oh, that's very nice. Player, if player equals player, oh, we should call this something else. Player. So if that is the player that is in this local script, then destroy all beams. We're gonna say and we'll just say destroy all beams. It's gonna be annoying because this is gonna fire every time. Unless we put it here. Well, it's still gonna fire every time, right? But is there any way? I'm gonna ask AI. Is there a way to disconnect? Oh, that's annoying. But it's better. It's better for the performance. It's better for the code. All right. So that was quest 3, claim cash. Oh wait, that wasn't it yet. Wait for player to have some cash. Script has become a mess. So while the player doesn't have enough cash. Alright. So what was the next one? We have buy a dropper, we have collect cash, buy a second dropper. So that's gonna be quest 4. So now the player has more than 100 cash. I'm gonna say quest 4 buy second dropper. Dropper 2. Dropper 2. Alright. That should be. Gosh. That should be the tutorial. So now for testing, I'm gonna change. Gonna make it so we don't save anything. And we reset the database. So that is weird. Because maybe the other instances hadn't loaded yet. That's interesting. So we should say yeah, we should like wait a little bit more, so like 3 seconds. It's not waiting, is it? Because we were already here. Be here. So 1, 2, 3. Hey, nice. Might be a lot. It's a bit much. Oh well. It's a bit much. Alright, so I cleaned it. It's gonna say collect or buy that dropper. Buy it. It's gonna start dropping. So then we're gonna wait for 10 soaps. So now it should say, yes, go collect it. Once we did, it's gonna tell us to buy that. That's awesome. Wow, that worked first try. First try, baby. Basic tutorial done. I feel pretty accomplished. Nice. Did these two in less than 40 minutes. Already at the monetization step. Wow. I think I'm gonna end stream. GG guys.